Ever pondered on the steps to install Windows 95 on your computer? It might seem like a daunting task, but fear not, this guide will help you navigate through the process. First things first, you'll need a Windows 95 installation CD. This might be a bit tricky to find, considering the age of the software, but a quick search on the internet should give you some leads. Next, you'll need a computer. This could be a vintage machine or a modern one. The only requirement here is that the computer must have a CD-ROM drive. Now, onto the actual installation. Start by inserting the Windows 95 installation CD into your computer's CD-ROM drive. Once the CD is in, restart your computer. Upon restarting, your computer should boot from the CD. If it doesn't, you might need to adjust your BIOS settings to allow booting from the CD-ROM drive. Once booted from the CD, you'll be greeted with the Windows 95 setup screen. Here, you should choose the option to set up Windows 95 now. Following this, you'll be asked to agree to the end-user license agreement. Read through it, and if you agree, proceed to the next step. Next, you'll be asked where you want to install Windows 95. If you're not sure, the default location is usually fine. Then, you'll be asked to choose the type of installation. Choose Typical, unless you have specific needs that require a different type of installation. After this, the setup will start copying files. This could take some time, so grab a cup of coffee and sit back. Once the file copying is done, you'll be asked to set up your hardware. This is usually a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts on the screen. You're almost done. The final step is to restart your computer. Once it restarts, you should be greeted with the Windows 95 desktop. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Windows 95. So, to summarize, the key steps in installing Windows 95 are obtaining a Windows 95 installation CD, ensuring your computer has a CD-ROM drive, booting from the CD, following the setup prompts, copying files, setting up your hardware, and finally, restarting your computer. That might seem like a lot, but it's really not that complicated. With a bit of patience and this guide, you can easily get Windows 95 up and running on your computer. So, why not give it a try? Who knows, you might just find yourself enjoying the nostalgia of using an operating system from the mid-90s. And with that, we conclude our step-by-step guide on how to install Windows 95. Happy computing!